Hi everyone and welcome to the Advanced Installer YouTube channel. Starting with Advanced Installer version 20.2, we are introducing a dedicated web-based installation theme that you can use when creating a web installation package, the Serene theme. This new predefined theme aims to be user-friendly, minimalist, and straightforward by giving you exactly the features and options your users need when they install your application. Let's create an Advanced Installer project and see how it works in practice. Go to the Builds page and select the Web Installer package. Here, mention the URL from which MSI will install. The Web Installer package creates a single exe file that will download the MSI and install it from a URL. Now, save and run your project. We can see that the installation goes smoothly, providing you with a pleasant and straightforward experience. I hope you enjoyed this video and let us know in the comments below what videos you would like to see in the future.